Guys, and welcome back to Teardown with Snow again, doing the same thing. 6, 7. Oh no, I hate myself now. Oh well. There goes Snow. Hey, wait. Calm down. Fighting during a tornado. Ah! Okay, we just start off the 30 seconds with that intro, guys. Yeah. You can't ape? Why can't I ape? Huh? You can't ape. You can't escape ape. Can't escape ape though, Snow, so no. Oh, crap. Okay. Instead of geometry trash, it's geometry craps. Geometry grass. Okay, let's see here. Just go through the wall. Yes. I don't think the sledgehammer is that strong, but it's not. Guys, Snow said he's proud. Guys, Snow's as proud as my dad, guys. Snow's my dad. Okay, Mikey knows happening. No, get in the car. POV, putting your kid in the back seat, but he won't fit because he's fat. Just told me YouTube, if you can hear me, I'm watching Snow's geometry dash bit. I mean, this piece of geometry dash. Wait. US Army citizen guy? I can't say your name out loud or I'll get sued. What? Ooh, a bomb. Let's go join Snow in his madness. The lag caused me to do that, guys. I'm not bad at driving, you are. So shut up and sit down. Oh hey, blue tide. I know you're watching, Timmy. Snow just said, I know you're watching, Timmy. Yes. Yes, he's very professional, guys. Oh gosh. Oh, also, if you want to hear actually his voice, you can friend request him on Steam. His name is Snow_AG, all caps. I think. No, it's not. It's okay. Well, also, he's in other videos by this guy named Josh, and Josh's YouTube channel is called MMM Cheese 2. So it's there's a 2 at the end. There's 3 M's, and it's cheese with a 2. Okay. Yeah? What? Yay. You need it. Are you gonna take it? No? Okay. More views for me? Oh, okay, bye. Now we have to get the run in the place at the time, up there, in the stairs. Why am I talking like a guy for top 5 in this video? He just screamed $6 shrimp special at me, guys. Am I okay? Do you need help? Should I be afraid of... Should I be afraid? Okay. He's the rooftop guy. Let's wait for the tornado. What is going on? Hey, stop. Where's the blue tag thing? I need to know. Where is it? Where is it at? How did it end up? No? Oh, it's over. How do I get this on land? Someone, please help. Can I plank my way up? I gotta grab it from down here and then like go up. Yes. Okay. Let's go, Mez. No, Mez happened. Wait, it's in the roof. It's in the roof. Wait, what the where did that stupid roof? Nah, I'm good. There we go. Oh, hey, there's my car. Okay, go. Come on. You got this. Get flashbang. Get flashbang. Yes. We both died. Okay. Grace, love, peace, and mercy, guys. Love you guys. Bye. Hold on.